Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover the path mate. So to start it with the path mate, we need to have two things. The first thing is we should have a part, and the second thing is we should have a path. So as right now you can see I have a spline which is I'm gonna use as a path, and I have a part as well. So on this part, if I'm gonna go and I'm gonna zoom in, and you can see I have a point on this path. As you can see, here is my point. So I already created a point on the bottom surface of this part. So if you are wondering how I created a point, so what I can do is I can go into my part and open part, and then into this part. As you can see, I already created a point here. So how I created, so what I can do is I can go into the features, and you can see here under reference geometry, so I can go into the points, and then what I can do is I can just select a point, and then I can create point somewhere in the center of face or anywhere wherever you want to create. So let's go back into assembly. So I'm back into my assembly. So I already have a part, and I have a spline which I'm gonna use as a path as well. So what I can do is I can just select the point which is under the bottom of this part, and then what I can do is I can go into the mates, into the assembly, into the ribbon section. There is an option for the mates, so I'm gonna go into the mates. And then because I'm gonna use this as a advanced mate, so I'm gonna go into the advanced mate, and the point is already selected because before opening the mate I already selected the point. And then I can go into the path mates, and then now I need to select the path selection. So I'm gonna select this path. So this point is automatically move onto this path, and then I'm gonna click the green check mark. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you. Okay, so as you can see, if I want to select, I can just screen check again. Okay, so if I'm gonna hold this part and slide this around the path, so it's gonna move, but as you can see, like it's gonna dip into the 3D. So what I can do is I can just select this surface, and I can create a mate between this surface and this surface, and then it's gonna stick to the surface as well. And now you can see if I'm gonna click the green check mark, and then if I'm gonna slide this path, so I can just slide this part throughout the whole path. So this is the way how we can create a path mate. So it is not necessary that it should be a 2D path. It can be a 3D path as well. So this is the way like you can create a path mate between a path and a part. So this is really interesting, so you should go and you should check into your assembly. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.